As AI transforms cybersecurity, it brings both powerful tools and sophisticated threats. Attackers now exploit AI to create deepfakes, cloned voices, and hyper personalized phishing emails, making deception faster and harder to detect. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Yet, amid this technological arms race, the human element remains the ultimate line of defense. Even the most advanced systems rely on human judgment, awareness, and ethical decision making to identify anomalies that algorithms might overlook. Employees are trained to spot suspicious patterns, verify authenticity, and report irregular activity, serve as an organization's first responders in the digital battlefield. Simple yet critical habits like using strong passwords, regularly updating software, and enabling multi factor authentication can block most AI enabled attacks before they escalate. But cybersecurity today extends beyond individual behavior. It demands a cultural shift. Organizations must embed security awareness into governance and compliance frameworks, ensuring that every employee understands their shared responsibility. The convergence of AI and cybersecurity underscores a new reality. That is, machines can detect, but humans must decide. Empowering people through continuous education, simulation exercises, and accountability builds collective resilience. When human intelligence and AI safeguards work in harmony, they create a security ecosystem capable of outsmarting even the most intelligent cyber threats. Let's look into today's headlines. India launches its first cooperative cab service to challenge Ola and Uber. The centre has launched Bharat Taxi, India's first cooperative taxi service designed to directly challenge private players such as Ola and Uber. The initiative is developed under the Union Ministry of Cooperation and the National E-Governance Division and is aimed at giving drivers full ownership of their earnings while offering commuters a government-supervised alternative to private cab aggregators. Unlike private aggregators, Bharat taxi drivers will not pay any commission on their rides, but they will operate under a membership model. Tejas Networks ships IP/MPLS routers under BharatNet Phase 3. Tejas Networks Limited has begun shipping its industry-leading IP/MPLS routers and management system for the Madhya Pradesh, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu and Uttarakhand packages under the BharatNet Phase 3 project. Partnering with Nagarjun Construction Company, Tejas aims to upgrade the existing middle mile broadband infrastructure in these states from linear to ring topology. This deployment will cover 30,841 Gram Panchayats and 411 block locations, leveraging IP/MPLS technology to ensure robust and reliable connectivity. Delhi to spend Rs 3.29 crore for its first ever artificial rain on October 29. To tackle worsening air quality, the Delhi government has announced its first artificial rain experiment through cloud seeding. Scheduled for October 29, the initiative aims to cleanse the city's polluted air after Diwali celebrations. The project, costing Rs 3.21 crore, is led by IIT Kanpur in coordination with IMD Pune. Post Diwali, Delhi's AQI levels have been alarming, with readings as high as 402 at Anand Vihar, which is severe, and over 300 in other areas. Amazon ramps up its Luna cloud gaming service with new features. Amazon has redesigned its cloud gaming platform Luna, introducing new features, a broader game library, and a fresh family-focused multiplayer experience called Game Night. Amazon Luna is available at no extra cost for Prime members. According to the company, the revamped Amazon Luna aims to make gaming accessible to all skill levels without the need for expensive consoles or downloads. It supports a wide range of devices, including Fire TV and Fire tablets, smartphones, web browsers, and select LG and Samsung smart TVs. Instagram will now let users go back to see their watched reels. Instagram has announced that it will now let its users go back and see their previously watched reels with a new watch history feature. With the new feature, users can go back and find videos they might not have had the chance to save. Instagram's watch history offers flexibility as users can sort videos in chronological or reverse chronological order or by author. Instagram says the feature was highly requested among users. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.